Hello, Darcy here with Chit Chat Knits. I have a pretty little cowl here. This is called the Fantastic Fauna Cowl. One of the stitches in the cowl is a butterfly stitch. It's very simple to work, but it's just a little different than normal. So I just wanted to do a little video to show you how to do this pretty little butterfly stitch. I have a sample here that I have started just to show you this stitch. I just used some leftover worsted weight yarn to make it a little bigger so you can see it a little better. So here is a completed butterfly stitch. Now, what happens here to make this is you're knitting and slipping stitches. So you slip 5 stitches, you knit 5 stitches, you slip 5 stitches, you knit 5 stitches for all the way around. And you actually then knit a row between, and then you do that round again where you're slipping 5 stitches, knitting 5 stitches, slipping 5 stitches. And you work that so that you have 3 areas where you have these yarns that are laying on top of the work. So when you do your slip, you're actually going to pull the yarn forward, slip them, and then bring it back to work the 5 stitches. But that's easily explained. But the part I wanted to show you is how to make the center of the little butterfly. And it's super easy. It looks way more difficult than it is. All right, so we're coming around. We've knit 5 stitches. Now we're going to make a butterfly. So you knit 2, which brings us to the center of those 5 slip stitches. You just take your needle and slide it up under the 3 pieces of yarn where you slip stitches. Just slide it up. So easy. Slide it up. Then you work as if you're just working a regular knit stitch. So there it is. I've actually created a stitch there. Now in the pattern it tells us to purl the next stitch and then just take the tip of the left needle, put it into that stitch we made, and cross it over the purl stitch. Wow, there it is. Very easy. And then we're going to knit the other 2 and add 5 to that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're back to the threads that are laying across 5 stitches where we slipped. We're going to knit 2, 1, 2. Again, just slide the right tip of the needle, right needle up under those 3. Wrap it around like we're knitting a stitch, just regular knitting stitch, like we're just doing that. Now we've made that new stitch. We purl and slip the stitch we made over. How about that? It's just that easy. Again, we just keep going around. We knit 7, 2, because there's 2 plus the 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're back to where we have 3 threads laying across. Knit 2 because we want to get to the center. We want our butterfly body to be centered. Slide up. Just make a knit stitch. Purl the next. And slip the made stitch over the purl stitch. That's all there is to it. It's so easy, and look at how pretty it is. Okay, thanks for stopping by. I hope this helps you as you make some beautiful butterflies.